Imagine stepping into a front yard where the gentle sound of waves complements the vibrant colors of coastal plants. Today, we're exploring a seaside front yard garden that captures the essence of beachside living. Welcome to Green Home Living. Brightly painted planters filled with blooming coastal plants add a splash of color to this vibrant seaside front yard garden. A wooden boardwalk leads to the cheerful beach house in the background, with its colorful shutters and wraparound porch. A driftwood archway frames the entrance to this seaside front yard garden, where native coastal plants thrive. A gravel pathway winds through the space. The rustic seaside cottage in the background, with its stone chimney and thatched roof, adds to the charm of this coastal retreat. Embrace the simplicity of a minimalist seaside front yard garden with gravel pathways and blooming seaside daisies. A modern water feature adds a touch of tranquility. The sleek beach house in the background, with its floor-to-ceiling windows and minimalist design, offers a contemporary take on coastal living. An arched trellis covered in climbing roses leads from this seaside front yard garden to the sandy beach beyond. The charming beach house in the background, with its wooden shingles and wraparound deck, provides a perfect backdrop for this coastal paradise. This picturesque seaside front yard garden showcases a delightful mix of flowering shrubs and ornamental grasses. A rustic wooden gate leads to the charming coastal home in the background, with its pastel-colored siding and front porch swing. It's a scene straight out of a storybook, perfect for lazy summer afternoons. Anchor decorations, beach grass, and seashell planters create a nautical theme in this seaside front yard garden. The coastal home in the background, with its shingled roof and welcoming front porch, offers a perfect setting for this maritime-inspired garden. Discover a beautifully landscaped seaside front yard garden adorned with succulents and driftwood accents. A whitewashed garden bench invites you to sit and admire the view. The rustic cottage in the background, featuring stone walls and a red-tiled roof, adds a touch of old-world charm to this coastal escape. Starfish decorations and dune grasses create a nautical theme in this seaside front yard garden. A white garden bench offers a place to sit and enjoy the view. The charming beach cottage in the background, with its pastel-colored siding and wraparound porch, completes the scene. Step into a spacious seaside front yard garden, where a wooden boardwalk meanders through native grasses towards the ocean. The modern beach house in the background boasts large windows and a wraparound deck, offering panoramic views of the sparkling sea. This tranquil setting is perfect for soaking in the beauty of the coast. A water fountain and colorful perennials enhance the serene beauty of this seaside front yard garden. Ocean views provide a stunning backdrop. The elegant coastal home in the background, with its grand entrance and large bay windows, exudes timeless sophistication. Vibrant hydrangeas line a stone pathway leading to a pair of Adirondack chairs in this cozy seaside front yard garden. The quaint house in the background, with its white clapboard siding and welcoming front porch, provides a perfect setting for this serene coastal retreat. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a seaside front yard garden. We hope it has inspired you to bring a touch of coastal beauty to your own outdoor space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden tours and ideas. See you in the next video.